Time to update your vehicle? Take a look at this 2007 Toyota Kluger. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD stacker, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Call today to schedule a test drive.